What's up, porcelain people? Erin with Hardscape.com here. Today we are taking a look at a 24x24 shellstone porcelain paver pool deck in Naples, Florida. Today's beautiful installation is brought to us by Porcelain Pavers. And I want to take a look at the details that Dustin and his team employed to make this project turn out so flawless. The homeowner chose a 12x24 full nose coping, nice and soft transition into the pool, but still very modern. They used the 24x24 2cm shell stone to face the outer edge of that spillway fountain that you're seeing there. Here's the hidden drain directing water away from the base of the home and off of the pool deck. I love that Porcelain Pavers hides our skimmer cover for that really seamless design. You see how that, instead of having a plastic skimmer cover, they use the same product to overlay that. I get a lot of questions about that. Gorgeous job, guys. If you need help with your upcoming project, give me a call, 239-306-0854.